So what are we doing?
Oh, we're dismantling it to clean it now. Just get the front band off and then we can take this piece of wood off. We go there. And then take the second band off. Second band. And then this piece of wood will come off. And then we undo this one, goes through here. Up there. So I need to push that out with. There we go. Back on there in case we lose it. The cosmoline is very sticky. And then we undo this trigger guard. Okay, that's out. Then we undo this. All these screws are reasonably loose too, so
That's good.
you must have expected that this was going to have to happen. Okay. And then this should come out. Right, and then the wood should come off. Maybe up this way, like that.
Not that bad.
Yeah, and apparently if it's bedded here, if you've got like wear marks here
Yeah.
on the top where you can see, and here, and on the top here is bedded correctly. But if you see wear marks down
there.
the side, then it's not.
So what about that? That's fine.
That's fine.
So you don't want anything down these sides here, though, do we?
No, it's yeah, you don't either. But it's hopefully it's floating.
So is that from our finger?
Yeah, that's just from us pulling it off. So it's touching up here, but that's good. So yeah, it looks like it's bedded correctly.
Right.
And then there we are. We've got a bit of a clean up job to do here.
Didn't even take 5 minutes to pull apart.
No. There we go. We've got to clean all this gunk off, so we might
Yeah, it'd start again in a
switch
bit.
off for a little while and, yeah, and clean him up a bit.